Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to uninstall a PC game on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. Let's jump right in. First, go down to the bottom left side of your screen and click on the Start menu. And then click on the gear icon. Once this screen opens, click on Apps. Then, choose Apps and Features. Here, you'll see a list of all your applications and games. Scroll through to find the game you want to uninstall. For example, I can see Roblox listed here. Let's uninstall Roblox. Select it and then click on Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again. A window will pop up asking for confirmation. Go ahead and choose Yes. And after some loading, your game will be uninstalled. If you're having trouble finding your games, you can sort the list by name, size, or install date. If you have multiple drives, you can choose a specific hard drive to look for your games. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.